Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss some topics of fifth chapter of class 12 business studies, that is from organizing. We will discuss particularly meaning of organizing, steps involved in the process of organizing, and importance or significance of organizing. Meaning of organizing. Organizing is the process of identifying and grouping various activities and bringing together physical, financial, and human resources and establishing productive relations among them for the achievement of specific goals. Or we can say organizing essentially implies a process which coordinates human efforts, assembles resources, and integrates both into a unified whole to be utilized for achieving specified objectives. Organizing can be defined as a process that initiates implementation of plans by clarifying jobs and working relationship and effectively deploying resources for attainment of identified and desired results. Steps in the process of organizing. In the process of organizing, the first step is identification and division of work. It means dividing total work into specific activities. These activities are then grouped into jobs and assigned to different individuals or departments. This brings specialization and productivity. The work is divided into manageable activities so that duplication can be avoided and the burden of work can be shared among the employees. Second step is departmentalization. Those activities which are similar in nature are grouped together. Such sets facilitate specialization. This grouping process is called departmentalization. Uh, for example, manufacturing department, marketing department, human resource department, etc. Third step is assignment of duties. It is necessary to define the work of different job positions and accordingly allocate work to various employees. Once departments have been formed, each of them is placed under the charge of an individual. Jobs are then allocated to the members of each department in accordance to their skills and competencies. The work must be assigned to those who are best fitted to perform it well. Fourth and last step in the process of organizing is establishing reporting relationship. Merely allocating work is not enough. Each individual should also know who he has to take orders from and to whom he is accountable. The establishment of such clear relationships helps to create a hierarchical structure and helps in coordination among various departments. Importance of organizing. First point of importance of organizing is benefits of specialization. Specific workers performing a specific job on a regular basis. Repetitive performance of a particular task allows a worker to gain experience in that area and leads to specialization. Next point is clarity in working relationships. The establishment of working relationships clarifies lines of communication and specifies who is to report to whom. This removes ambiguity in transfer of information and instructions. Next point is optimum utilization of resources. Organizing leads to the proper usage of all material, financial, and human resources. The proper assignment of jobs avoids overlapping of work and also makes possible the best use of resources. Next point of importance is Adaptation to change. It allows the organization structure to be suitably modified and the revision of interrelationships amongst managerial levels to pave the way for a smooth transition. It also provides much needed stability to the enterprise as it can then continue to survive and grow in spite of changes. Effective administration. Clarity in working relationships enables proper execution of work. Management of an enterprise thereby becomes easy, and this brings effectiveness in administration. Development of personnel. Organizing stimulates creativity amongst the managers. Effective delegation allows the managers to reduce their workload by assigning routine jobs to their subordinates. The reduction in workload by delegation is not just necessary because of limited capacity of an individual, but also allows the manager to develop new methods and ways of performing tasks. It gives them the time to explore areas for growth and the opportunity to innovate, thereby strengthening the company's competitive position. Delegation also develops in the subordinate the ability to deal effectively with challenges and helps them to realize their full potential. And now, the last point of importance of organizing expansion and growth. Organizing helps in the growth and diversification of an enterprise by enabling it to deviate from existing norms and taking up new challenges. Thus, organizing is a process by which the manager brings order out of chaos, removes conflict among people over work or responsibility sharing, and creates an environment suitable for teamwork.